Welcome back to Dropping and Reef. Today we are at one of our client office premises and we are going to be replacing the existing Red Sea Reefer 170 with the new Red Sea Reefer G2 200 aquarium with the cabinet. So let's go ahead and start the process and follow through the whole install. I have the new G2 200 Red Sea Reefer over here, and this is the cabinet. And along with that, as part of the upgrade, we are going to be replacing the existing bubble bagger skimmer with the Reef Octo 110S. We're going to replacing the return pump with the C2 Synchra STC3 controllable, one of the beautiful pumps out there in the market. And we're going to give the customer a new Neo 5 for the circulation inside the aquarium. And we're going to connect the existing UV sterilizer, aqua UV sterilizer, with the new C2 Synchra 1.5 pump here. So we're going to start the process of installing the cabinet first and then see how it goes, and then probably get the tank installed done. It may take a day or two for our team to kind of do the whole process. This is the aquarium that we're going to be replacing. It's been here doing good, pretty healthy, little minimal livestock and a few basic corals. We have this running for almost over 4 years now with the customer out here. And the sump has seen a little bit better days, but just trying to fit in everything over here. The premise gets pretty hot in summers, so we're going to keep the tank temperature cool. We have a fan out here. But overall, it has been doing great. The system has been doing good. So we will be going through the whole replacement. It's getting started to start managing the cabinet, and we have the user manual over here. And this is a G2 200 black. Excellent piece, marine grade ply from Red Sea. The very cool aquarium kits that are in the market. We are laying down each and every components that has come in the cabinet kit. We want to make sure that we have everything available when packed. Each and every piece is of utmost importance to ensure the sturdiness and the strength of the cabinet, which is going to be holding the aquarium. So we'll take this process a bit slow, making sure we have all the parts and components available before we start assembling the cabinet. So folks, today we'll be installing the classic 110 SS Space Saver skimmer on this Reefer 200 G2 series. So let's go ahead and open up this box, Reef Octopus Classic 110 SS skimmer. technical support. This is the user manual. Now these are the small footprint skimmers that we have. They are very sturdy, good life, and these are one of the hot favorites. We sell a lot of these for our customers. For tanks of this size, around 125 to 100 gallons, and comes with a refractor pump. So beautiful acrylic housing. Let's skim us up. So that's pretty much that we have for the box opening. Now we will go ahead and install this. Make sure you don't over tighten these screws. They're made of plastic. Pretty heavy duty. They're not going to just crack open for you. But not over tighten, just snug tight. Keep the skimmer housing in place. And also it will make it easier for you for your maintenance. Periodically when you want to clean up the skimmer, clean up the pump, it's going to be easy to open it up. Okay. Here we are. This is a complete set installed. Now we will go and connect this. So we have installed the new Reef Octopus 110 SS Space Saver skimmer. Now these are pretty heavy duty with regards to a setup. For a light bio load, they can do a skimming filtration for up to 130 gallons. For heavy skimming, it's up to 60 gallons. Pretty good build by Reef Octopus. It runs on a refractor pump. So right now you've done the dry setup. We'll complete the other install and then fill up this with water and then kickstart it. Yeah, we have finished the plumbing. We installed the skimmer and it's putting a temporary heater right now to get the cycling started. Then we'll put a proper permanent one. We're going to give some options to the customer which ones you can select. We're going to start setting up this aquarium, starting with the sand or the Fiji pink from Carib Sea. We got 2 bags of 15 pounders each and one of 5 pounds. And add all of this in and get the aquascaping rockwork done today. Make sure you grab all of this. That's the bacteria. So once you add the sand and you add the water, empty this bag inside the aquarium. Don't leave it inside. we have finally finished off the filling up the water of this new Red Sea G200 G2. We got the skimmer on SS keeping, so we'll just keep the system for cycling for next few weeks. We still have to work on the aquascaping, and as I mentioned previously, the aim is to try and bring some of the live rock from the old system onto the new one, and plus add a few more to make a different look and setup this time. So a couple of days we will get this completed with the aquascape and let the system run for a few weeks to get the cycling completed, and then we will be transferring the livestock from this system progressively into the new one. Here we are, folks. We have finally completed the install of the new Red Sea Reefer 200 G2 at a client place here. So we have the refactor skimmer INT 110. We have moved the Aqua UV sterilizer. That's a 15-watt one, classic series. It's connected on the sea chasing graph is 3.0 pump. And we have moved it from the old Red Sea Reefer tank. This is going to be going to a new home. We are going to be putting it out on the marketplace, and then whoever wants it needs some cleaning, but otherwise the tank is working perfectly well. Customer just needed a small upgrade, and as you can see, the previous aquarium was in this location out here, and now we have moved it opposite because the customer required to take a look at the tank from the office out there. So now they can have a direct view while they're working. So yeah, pretty much this is running on the Nero 5.0 pump. And at the moment, we only have the livestock that was successfully transferred from the old setup to the new one. We're going to give them some time, couple of days, maybe a week or so to settle down. And then we will slowly start adding more livestock and some more corals, slowly and progressively. That's the key in this hobby. Patience and persistence will get you there. So yeah, tank looks beautiful. We just need some more other completion of some mods, not mods actually, some more like we need to put a new mesh so that we don't have the wrasses jumping out. The old mesh on the previous Red Sea Reefer here, this is not fitting in exactly as needed. The new G2 is a bit bigger in size than the old one. So we have ordered the new cover, which is on its way, and then we will get that installed. And then we're going to just put the old cover back with some additional protection so that you don't have the wrasses and the fishes jumping out. And we need to do some cable management. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for coming along on this journey from the time we started the setup. And we have successfully completed one more transition. Corals look happy. Fishes are happy. And we will start adding some more livestock slowly.